Today we are going to do our drawing book's first and second activity. I will show you and giving instruction how to do that activities. Okay. This is our drawing book. Craft also there. In this book 29 activities are there. 29 activities are there. Okay. Inside this book many craft also there and drawing also there. And not only that, look, one cover also there. Cover. One bag, material bag also there. Inside this material bag, which all activities we need, all these things it is written here. Activity 2, activity 7, activity 7, like that way it is written. Okay. Then which all activities are coming, that time you can take these materials from the packet. Okay. And between also some materials are there. Okay. In between what all materials needed, that also inside here. Look, this white sheet for this drawing. Okay. And this color papers for this activity. Okay. So at that time when it is coming for doing these pages, that time you can take this and use. Today we are going to do our first and second. First activity and second activity. First activity is negative and positive. In our life we heard these words, negative and positive. What is negative and positive? In maths also negative, positives are there. English also we heard negative characters, positive characters, like that way. So drawing also now came negative and positive words. What is this negative and positive? Here I am preferring black color. Here that fishes are there, white and black color it is given here. Black color I am mentioning negative and white color I am mentioning here positive. Okay. Then in positive mentality, if you are doing this drawing, it's very easily you can complete. Not only drawing, every subject you can do in positive, taking positively that subject very easily you can study. Okay. Then I am starting here how it is drawing, then I am showing here. Okay. First you should take a pencil and draw these lines with the help of pencil. Okay. I am drawing here the lines. Look, this line I am drawing first. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines I am curving lines. I am drawing here first that curving lines. Then next step, in first line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fishes are there. I am drawing that fishes wherever it is seen. And next step 1, 2, 3 fishes. No, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 fishes. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4 fishes. Okay, that I am going to draw. I completed now here that sketches with the pencil. Okay. Now I am taking black sketch pen. Sketch pen I am using for drawing outlines, all the lines with the black sketch pen. Before that, you should do one thing. You keep this cover, no, your drawing book's cover, you keep down of this page like this way. Otherwise, that sketches mark is coming to the next page also. That's why I am preferring like this way. Keep like this and do with the sketch pen. Okay, over all the lines I am drawing with the help of this sketch pen. Okay, this I completed all the lines. Okay, with the help of this sketch pen, black sketch pen. After that, you check this wherever it is black color. Okay, there you should apply black sketch pen itself. Okay, and I'm going to fill like this way. Fill like this way. One direction only apply that, otherwise your picture will coming very badly. One direction apply and fill this. Okay, one direction itself complete and fill this. Okay, like this way complete everywhere wherever it is seeing black color. After completing this black color, you check this second step. Here many lines are, different types of lines are there, that also different direction it is drawn, and thick lines are there, thin lines are there. Okay, and a little bit gap seen some places, and very closely drawn some lines, that also there. Like this way you should complete after giving black color. Okay, and if it is not same way coming also, no problem, that you can change the direction of that lines, directions also you can change, and complete this picture like this way. The second step was shown. Now our drawing finished. Like this way you should complete your drawing perfectly. And listen, don't forget, you send the picture of this work. Okay, take second activity. Second activity is one craft. We need one old CD for making this, for doing this activity, and black color and white color also I am taken. It's written here poster color. Poster color is, if you have in your hand, you can use poster color. So you can use watercolor also. Okay, if you have which color in your hand, with that color you complete this. First I am taking the CD and applying black color everywhere, like as shown in the first step. Step it is saying old CD with the black color. Okay, then black color you can take and apply this black color with the help of one brush. For the CD I completed this black color everywhere. Then I am taking white color and one narrow brush also, and we can do with the white color like this design. Okay, design like this design, or you can do your own design, anything you, if you want to do apply, then no problem, same, no need. Your own design you can do in your CD work. Okay. Now our CD's work over. The same way no need which design is easy for you, that design you can apply and do with the white and black color. Okay, and after making this, listen here, one rope, it is one piece of ribbon is there, and we need to stick it in the back side. That ribbon you can take from the material bag. Okay, material bag it is there. In that material bag one ribbon is there. Okay, then you after drying you can hang it in your home anywhere. One thing, you take the photo of this after making this. You can hang it in your wall. Okay, in your wall, in your study room, anywhere you can hang it. Like this way you can stick it.